How you doing, man? We're going to Ballroom B, Automotive Rhythms.
Abraham?
Hold on. Abraham, you got it. Go ahead.
All right. I knew I was going to hit that. Yep. Black cherry.
Black cherry, he said. Black cherry.
Let's go now.
All right, so I'm heading out and check this out.
Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines.
And you got behind me all these cars. Hopefully my dash cam gets all this. If not, well, whatever. Alright, so I just want to show you guys a little bit of, it's been raining the entire trip. So I'm sitting at a light right now. I just want to show you that the Whipple runs perfectly fine, car runs perfectly fine in the rain. I've been driving for approximately 45 minutes from Washington, D.C., getting closer to my house. So I just want to show you that the car handles just fine with the rain.